Railway Wallet Basic Troubleshooting. If there are issues or bugs in your app and the following solutions do not work, make sure that you're on the latest version of Railway Wallet. If you have errors refreshing Railgun balances. First, slow balance scans are most likely due to a slow remote procedure call, RPC, node connection. RPC nodes are how Railway Wallet pulls information from the blockchain to construct a balance. 2. Set up a custom RPC. First, in Railway, click on Settings, then click Network and RPCs. Click the network that you want to add a custom RPC to. In this case, it's Arbitrum. Click Set Custom Provider. The choice of RPC provider is entirely up to you, and no one can recommend a specific RPC to you. But a good place to start to find an independent RPC is a list like Chainlist. Once you've selected an RPC, copy and paste the URL into the custom RPC URL box and click Submit. Your custom RPC is now toggled on by default. To toggle on default RPCs as a backup, click the status. You can also add additional RPCs by clicking Add Custom Provider again. If loading your balance is taking a while, first time loading up a wallet on a device will take longer. Please come back later and let the balance scan complete. If you're experiencing delays on mobile, try loading your wallet into the desktop app, as performance can be better with a more powerful device. If private proofs of innocence, or PPOI, is pending for longer than 1 hour, first head to Activity tab, click Resync Proof on the transaction that is delayed. Second, press the refresh button on top of the balance screen. Third, click Generate all private proofs of innocence in Settings. Fourth, click Rescan private balances. And fifth, wait up to 15 minutes and restart the app and retry the process. If you have trouble connecting to broadcasters, first, restart the app. Second, check your VPN connection. Make sure it can handle P2P connections. Third, check speed and strength of your internet connection. Broadcasters require a strong continuous connection to work. Fourth, try a different network connection. Fifth, try a non-shared internet connection. If you're using a university or work Wi-Fi connection, it may block P2P connections. Sixth, follow the steps at help.railway.xyz/transactions/public-broadcasting. Seventh, try a broadcaster with a reliability score less than 1.0. A 1.0 reliability score usually means it's a new broadcaster. If a broadcast transaction failed to broadcast transaction, first try with a different broadcaster. Restart the app if the issue persists. Second, check your VPN connection. Make sure it can handle P2P connections. Third, check speed and strength of your internet connection. Broadcasters require strong continuous connection to work. Fourth, try on a different network. Fifth, try on a non-shared internet connection. If you're using a university or work Wi-Fi connection, it may block P2P connections. Sixth, follow the steps at help.railway.xyz/transactions/public-broadcasting. Seventh, try a broadcaster with a reliability score less than 1.0. A 1.0 reliability score usually means it's a new broadcaster. Eighth, try updating the app.